I'm Mike Worth. This is Shazam121. Go sub to this channel. Today, Shazam, there are many Christians in here, and we're gonna walk by. We're gonna act like we're sneezing. We're gonna figure out how many people are gonna say bless you.
I thought you said like if your glasses fall off.
We're gonna see how many people keep fighting.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, that's one person that says bless you. Let's see if we can get someone else. Yeah, let's see if we can reach up to at least 10. Not in a row, just 10. So far, just one person. I'll count extra points for that. No, I can't. Oh, then that's 2. They're just not saying it loud, so I didn't hear. So that's 2 down. 10 down, 8 more to go.
2 down, 8 more to go. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Don't say it, just go. And we'll edit this part out so you don't have to wait. You're probably done.
It's okay. Hey. Alright, got it. Alright, got it. Alright, look.
What? Who was it? Who was it?
He said he's at the
What?
He's at the frozen freezer. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay. I think I just saw my 2nd grade teacher, Mr. Tucker.
Meet there.
I'll be over here beside the customer service. Be right back. He'll be right back. We'll be fast. Does he want us to go there? Do you want us to go there?
Huh?
Do you want us to go there?
Yeah, he said
Hey, wait. Come here. This is Tucker?
Hey, how you doing? How's it going? Good.
Perfect. Yeah. See ya. Duncan just left me. I don't know why, but Duncan just left me. Are the frozen foods over here? Okay. Okay. think I just found Duncan. Okay, apparently not.